think there must be something wrong, but I'm still not happy. I always end up feeling depressed.
Charlie Brown, maybe Lucy's right. Of all the
Mama Luigi
in the world, you're
spaghetti. Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! KO! Here's the cover. No.
Rats.
I didn't send you a Christmas card, Charlie Brown.
Don't you know sorrow when you hear it?
Do you think you have pantophobia?
What's pantophobia?
The fear of
Fingers. Die.
Am I right? I said, am I right?
1600 block. I just wanna rock. I just wanna I just wanna rock. Body out of ya. Shorty got that body out of ya.
Charlie Brown, isn't it a great play? Lights, please.
I'm sorry to interrupt you, Elizabeth, if you still even remember that name. But I'm afraid you've been misinformed. You are not here to receive a gift, nor have you been called here by the individual you assume, although you have indeed been called. You have all been called here, into a labyrinth of sounds and smells, misdirection, and misfortune.
What's going on here?
Charlie Brown!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
MC, make another hit.
This ain't what you want.
Project.
This ain't what you want. This ain't what you want.
Here comes your sister. I said, ha!